Are you seeking for the PPT Presentation Kit for the HSE system training? If that's the case, try to explain the HSE system training description. HSE Training PPT Package is a useful tool for training of personnel for HSE system awareness and audit based on ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 standards. This kit contains more than 410 PPT slides, trainer's manual, HSE audit forms and much more, addressing all the elements of health safety and environmental management system. The contents of the HSE PPT Presentation Kit are described below. HSE PPT Presentation, Handouts, Workshops and Case Study, HSE Audit Checklist, HSE Audit Forms, Risk Templates, Internal Auditor's Sample Certificate. The PPT presentations for the HSE modules are listed below. Overview. Requirements. Environmental and OSAS Management System Internal Audit. Hazard Risk Identification. HSE Documented Information. The following are some of the advantages of using a HSE Training PPT Presentation Kit. Soft copies of the HSE presentation and handouts are given, which save your time and cost. You can easily customize the HSE PPT slides and also add audio clips in the local language. It is easy to learn and user-friendly and complies with all ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 requirements for quick HSE training. This training material is created under the guidance of experts having rich experience of consulting, training and auditing of integrated HSE system. Feel free to contact us at sales@pamyamacademy.com or go to www.pamyamacademy.com for more information.